Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export tabs to an individual sheets on the Google Sheets. So if you want to export a certain tab to another spreadsheet, you can follow these steps right here. So let's just add this ones right here. I'm going to open a spreadsheet first. And what you need to do to start exporting the tab is you can get this extension, or on the Google Sheets, you can go to the extension, add-ons, and tap on get add-ons. And then just find this extension called template tab. You can just find it in here, this one, template tab. Here you can click on the extension, the apps. So you can just within the same sheet, you can duplicate a sheet for each tab name or student name listed, export sheet to individual sheets. So let's just click on install in here. You can tap on continue, and then let's just wait. Okay, you need to choose your Google email account first, and then tap on continue and click on allow, and just wait until the app is installed on your Google Sheets. Okay, so where to find the template tab? You can go to extension in here and find it. You can just click on done. And if you want to see how it's done, you can browse in here. You can export a tabs to individual sheets in here. Let's just try it. Here you can go to extension. And here, this is the extension template tab by Alice Keeler. So you can just click on this export tabs option. Now it's working. Now the template tab panel will be open on the left on the right here. You can just scroll down, so export each tab to a new Google Sheets spreadsheet. You can click on export tabs in here. So what you need to do next is just purchase the template tab, or you can also enter the premium passcode if you have one in here. And after that, your tab will be transferred or exported. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.